Thanks for clicking on this video. Are you ready to pass your U.S. citizenship test and interview? With free USCIS study tools, you can prepare for the exam from home.
The Immigration and Nationality Act grants special consideration in the Civics test to immigration applicants who, at the time of filing their Form N-400 application for naturalization, are over 65 years old and have been permanent residents for at least 20 years. These applicants may take the Civics test in their native language. In addition, they receive special consideration because they only need to study 20 of the 128 Civics test questions for naturalization. Therefore, if you are 65 years of age or older and have been a permanent resident for at least 20 years, at the time of filing your Form N-400 application for naturalization, you do not need to take the English reading and writing tests.
Let's get started.
Who vetoes bills?
The President of the United States.
What is the supreme law of the land?
U.S. Constitution.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
Thomas Jefferson.
How many amendments does the U.S. Constitution have?
27.
The President of the United States is elected for how many years?
4 years.
What is the highest court in the United States?
Supreme Court.
What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now?
J.D. Vance.
J.D. Vance.
What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now?
Mike Johnson.
Mike Johnson.
What is the name of the President of the United States now?
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump.
What is the economic system of the United States?
Capitalism.
Name one power of the U.S. Congress.
Writes laws.
'66. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance?
The United States.
George Washington is famous for many things. Name one.
Father of our country.
Why does the flag have 13 stripes?
Because there were 13 original colonies.
Abraham Lincoln is famous for many things. Name one.
Freed the slaves. Emancipation Proclamation.
Martin Luther King Jr. is famous for many things. Name one.
Fought for civil rights.
Who lived in America before the Europeans arrived?
American Indians.
Name 3 national U.S. holidays.
Memorial Day, Independence Day, Veterans Day.
What major event happened on September 11th, 2001 in the United States?
Terrorists attacked the United States.
Who is the governor of your state now?
Answers will vary. Send us a message if you need help with your answers.
You only need to study the 20 questions marked with an asterisk from the 128 civics test questions for naturalization. During your naturalization interview and test, the immigration officer will only ask 10 out of those 20 questions marked with an asterisk. You must answer 6 of those 10 questions in order to pass. If you need help, please send us a message and we will try our best to answer your questions. Tips for 65-20 exemption success. You can use your native language because you are permitted to use an interpreter to take the test in your preferred language. Review the most current officials, like the Governor, Speaker of the House, Vice President, and President of the United States, as these answers can change based on the date of your naturalization interview. Bring important documents, like your appointment notice, green card, passports, and any other required documents. Review your application and thoroughly read your submitted Form N-400, as questions will be based on it too. Be honest and precise by answering questions directly, without over-explaining or offering extra information. Listen carefully, especially if a question is unclear. Ask the immigration officer to repeat or rephrase it. Remain calm, arrive early, be polite, confident, and professional. Dress professionally and wear comfortable and conservative clothing. Please support this channel by commenting, subscribing, liking, and sharing this video so we can continue to create more content. Thank you so much.